Welcome to Self-Help Books by Hulda Clark. In each episode, we'll read an excerpt from the books by Dr. Hulda Clark, with practical information about traditional herbal cleanses and the Hulda Clark Zapper, a handheld frequency device that targets many common parasites. To learn more, visit huldaclark.com. Statements by Hulda Clark have not been approved by the Food and Drug Administration, not intended to replace medical care, diagnose, treat, and cure disease. Please consult a licensed healthcare practitioner before attempting any self-help program. Heart pain. Pain over the heart region is usually quite real, even though an EKG does not find any abnormality. The most common cause is dirofilaria, heartworm of dogs. It often begins as a pain just above the heart, but spreads itself over the whole heart region. Kill it with your zapper. Parasite herbs can also be effective. If you did kill them, the pain often intensifies for a day before it leaves. Then, the pain should be completely gone. Heartworm is very easy to pick up again. If you have had heartworm, you should no longer keep a dog for a pet. Give it away. Another heart parasite, Loa loa, is also a filarial worm and may be the causative factor. Follow up on your heart, even when no pain remains. These stages, if not killed, will become adults, so a maintenance parasite killing program, herbal or electronic, is essential. Virtually all dogs have dirofilaria, in spite of monthly medicine to kill it. They pick it up immediately after their last treatment for it and can give it to you again. The only way to live safely with pets is to give them parasite-killing herbs daily in the feed. This has been pages 146 to 147 from the book The Cure for All Diseases by Hulda Clark. For more information, visit huldaclark.com.